Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by protecting your progress. Backup Minecraft worlds to cloud or local storage so nothing is lost. Once done, check that you have at least 1 GB free and your OS meets the minimum version. Low space or outdated OS causes install errors. Make sure you know the installer source, Play Store versus APK, because permissions differ. Then open Settings and prepare to clear caches and inspect app permissions. This starts the actual repair, so you can handle the update safely. Next, you clear the common blockers. Go to the Play Store and Minecraft app entries, force stop, then clear cache and storage to remove corrupted temporary files. If the problem persists, uninstall just the updates or the entire app to remove a broken install, then reboot your device to flush memory. If using an APK, enable Install Unknown Apps for your installer and confirm the APK matches your device architecture and Android version. After those steps, retry the update or fresh install. Finally, perform the install from the Play Store or your verified APK source, watching permission prompts and granting storage access when asked so installation can complete. If it still fails, note any error code or message, run a log capture if possible, then repeat cache wipes and try a different network or VPN. If nothing works, restore your backup elsewhere and consider a factory reset only after backups are secure. Otherwise, contact Mojang or store support with details for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.